Hey guys, my name is Kumar. You're watching me. Let's start this video without hanging further delay. So basically, this video is going to be routine of 22nd August 2025, and today is Friday. So basically, in this video, I'm gonna share you like what is actually happening in my throughout the whole days of routine video. So let's start. Okay, at the morning, basically, first of all, I woke up. Then after that, I washed my mouth. Then after that, I uh, just a second. Basically what is actually happened, firstly wake up, firstly first of all I woke up, then after that I washed my mouth, then basically something was actually happened. Okay, let me show you. Basically it's my earbud, and one of the earbuds was missing, right? Basically last night I went for the sleep, just I put both the earbuds to the side. I did not put it inside to inside the case. So basically one of the earbuds missing, right? So basically I was just starting searching regarding that. Then you know basically I had taken the bath. Then after that I ate food, right? And basically uh, basically also for finding the earbuds I was starting searching the from the inside the bed. Basically I put bed to the side. I was so much tired. So basically I found, suddenly I found that my missing earbud I found to the corner side of the bed, right? So basically I thought that it is done by a mouse, right? So yes guys, that's the thing what is actually I want to talk about it. Mouse or rat, I don't know what should I talk about. Basically also one of the bed came, a new bed, not new bed, another bed came to my home. So I helped helped to settle it down to my parents and sister. Then after some time later I went outside and came home. Then after that I went to the terrace, and after that I came home. Then after that I talked to my mother. Then after that I ate food. Then after that I went outside and came home. Then after some time later I went for this. So basically guys, this is the thing what is actually happening in my today's reading video. I hope you have really understood this video. If you have really understood this video, then kindly please like it, because whenever you like some videos it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos at a very continuous manner. So basically guys, now I actually want to tell you that what actually I want to tell you that uh, basically my average videos per line minimum 10 minutes. I've completed till yet only 3 minutes, right? So I have to talk till 10 minutes, right? So let's talk about anime of another anime. Basically in from the previous two videos I talk about the Doraemon, right? Let's talk about today's Shinchan, right? It is also belongs to a Japanese cartoon, and yes guys, basically it is in India, in India, Indian version of Shinchan cartoon. Basically not Indian version, it is the dubbed Japanese version, right? So basically I am watching this from my childhood age, and it is actually very good cartoon as far as I know that. If you know uh, let's talk about first its history, right? So basically Shinchan is a Japanese anime, and uh, and it is coming from last so many years, right? So basically I don't know about the creator of this. As far as I know, maybe I think so that in Doraemon there is a animate the story, the who creates the story's name is Fujiko F. Fuzio, maybe as far as I know, right? So let's talk about Shinchan. So its characters are, so basically the main character is Shinchan, of course, and the next two main character his parents. I'm not talking about his friends. Basically its friend is also the most important character, but his parents only so much thing, right? So basically the first is Misai, right? Misai, also Mitzi, right? Mitzi Nohara. Then after that the his father is Harry Hiroshi Nohara, right? So and his sister, Shinchan's sister, Himawari Nohara, right? Then after that, basically those his parents and his parents uh, his friends and his family members are the main character, right? So then if I talk about his friends, it is a similar, not similar, it is it has also a, Kazama, Bochen, and Masao and Nani. This is the four friends of Sensen, right? So one by one, I am gonna to talk everyone's character, right? Also, one character I forgot, that is Sinchan's pet, that is dog whose name is Zero, right? So let's talk about where it come from the Sinchan. So basically, Sinchan is a 5 year old boy, and doing every time fun, and while doing fun he done some mistakes, and he has to face the problem how to solve it, and by doing all the particular practice or exercise or a kind of activity what he is doing, uh, there is a fun. So that's why people will entertain, right? So basically it is the dubbed version. Basically it is the original version in Japanese, but in India it is dubbed in Hindi, right? So yes. So yes, it is about Shinchan, who do always fun, and but also a very gentle personality, I can say, right? But fun, mistake, and not gentle personality. Well, he is a kid, and doing as a kid, doing always fun at extreme level, right? So yeah, that's the thing what is actually I want to talk about. And let's talk about his mother, right? Misai Nohara. Basically she is a she's a housewife, and sometimes she had done basically she's a housewife, and she loves to do shopping at a very discounted shopping she loves to do, and she is very excited to get shopping in sale, right? So also she usually sleep at the afternoon, and also sometime very uh, she cares a lot to his family, and sometimes she beats Sinchan and just because of their mistakes, and also sometimes she beats her husband, right? So if he had done mistakes, right? And yes, um, that's all about Sinchan's mother. Let's talk about Sinchan's father. Basically uh, he uh, as per Indian version, the animator shows that, as per Indian dubbed cartoon, as far as I you know um watched in TV. So I can say that the watched in TV, watched in mobile, the original dubbed version in Hindi. I can say that his personality is like gentleman, right? He is a good father, good husband, right? And good human being as well, right? So also very hardworking person, doing job, and wanted to do everything for his family, but just because of lack of money he was unable to do, but he has done there as much as he can, right? So it is all about Hiroshi Nohara. And let's talk about Himawari. I can say that one of the it is youngest character in Shinchan, right? So she is a younger sister of Shinchan, and likes a shiny thing like diamond, which is shine, right? uh, Likes that. And she's a I don't think she's, I think 1 or 2 year, right? Not more than 1 or 2 year, maybe, as far as I think, maybe as far as I know. And she can't walk, right, because she is scared. And so till yet I talk about Sinchan's family, and Let's talk about also his pet Zero. Basically, Zero is also a very understanding pet, and very I can say that uh, a very wise pet, very intelligent pet, and uh, yes, this is, I can say that. And yes guys, this is all what is actually happened till yet. I want to stop the remaining. I want to talk about the upcoming video. So this is all guys what is actually happened. I think it is all enough for today guys, so let's end the video guys. See you again. Bye bye.